Hello everybody, I am Sharon, a member at CHiPSET, and today we're going to be discussing about the 3 W's of Python. That is, what is Python, why to use Python, and where we can use Python. So let's start with what is Python. Python is a high-level programming language designed to be easy to read and simple to implement. It is an open source, which means it is free to use and may be redistributed and modified. Python is considered as a scripting language and is often used for creating web application and dynamic web content. It is the fastest growing programming language, not just among the software engineers, but also data analysts, scientists, network engineers, and many more. It is a beginner-friendly programming language, therefore it is used for a variety of different tasks. It is used in domains such as artificial intelligence, AI/ML, automation, and automation is one of the big uses of Python. So here are a few real-world applications of Python. It is used in big data, artificial intelligence and machine learning, automation, web development, mobile application, software testing, video games, and GUI application. So now the question arises that all those things can be done with the help of other programming language, then why should we use Python? So here are a few reasons that why you should learn Python. Reason 1. It solves programs in fewer lines of codes. For example, we want to print hello world in Python and in other different languages. Let's see how it works. For Java, we're going to be using this code. For C++, it's going to look like this. And for PHP, it's going to use 5 to 7 lines of code. And in Python, in just 1 line. Isn't it short, clear, and simple language it is? Other reasons that why you should use Python are it is portable and extensible. It has a library to cater to everybody's need. Its popularity and of course it gives high salary. High level and it has a huge community to provide so much to you guys. Technically what you can do with Python you can do with other languages also. But its simplicity and elegance have made it stand out from other languages. Here is a graph how Python have reached at the top in last few years. Learning Python opens up a lot of job opportunities. Here are a few companies who uses Python such as Google, Netflix, Spotify, Uber, and of course Amazon, and there are many more companies also. Hope you like our video. If you do, don't forget to give it a like and share. Here are a few of our social media handles. Do follow us and keep in touch with us. Stay tuned for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.